Can you believe we're in week 7 of distance learning? Unbelievable. Never thought we would be at this point. So I want to review a little bit about what Ms. Robinson went over with you last week when we talked about human impacts on oceans. So you watched a couple of videos, one over pollution and how all that leads to the ocean. Another about fertilizers, whether they be from feedlots, cattle that have natural fertilizers that would go into the rivers and lead to the ocean, or even this nice grass here. When humans put fertilizers on their lawns, excess can run off into the oceans. And then that goes in and you say, well, it's going to make the producers increase. Well, we know that food producers are the base of a food web. That should be a good thing, right? Because then you can have more organisms in the ocean. Well, really, it doesn't happen like that. Those algae blooms, those algae will die and the decomposers use up all the oxygen. And then you have no fish or things that can live in that part of the ocean. So this week, we're going to start off by doing 2 more human impacts on the ocean. One is overfishing. So we're going to watch a couple of videos about overfishing, and again, you'll be able to answer some questions. So, whoa! Let's see what we catch. Sometimes, because of companies and because of money, they don't fish with just poles. They fish with really huge nets that can really disturb the ocean food webs. And then the next thing we're going to learn about is how humans have tried to fix the problems by making artificial reefs. Well, we're going to learn about coral reefs, and that's where we're going to go on our last assignment this week, is when we go on a field trip looking at coral reefs. And then we'll look at how humans make artificial reefs. Mrs. Robinson and I miss you so much, and we miss seeing your smiles. So to answer your questions this week, you're going to be making a video. We want you to get out your props, we want you to make us laugh, and we want you to tell us what you learned when you go on that coral reef field trip. So here we go. I'm ready. We're going on our field trip.